Horses out, we have Milano, pasturing in between horses, Tresol, down on the inside, Misbehave, Theatrical Case, Born to be Queen is racing in peep, then followed over by Moana Belay, and on the outside, White Tara Express, and Magnificence is the retailer, Milano, the leader by about 2 lengths, and in second is Misbehave, Threshold is on the outside third, Born to be Queen is racing in fourth, then followed by Theatrical Case, Moana Belay, Magnificence, and White Tara Express trails the field. And it's still Milano by Oraling and Arias, and now is Threshold. Alang back in third comes number 1, and that is Misbehave. Born to be Queen remains in fourth, then followed by Theatrical Case, Moana Belay, Magnificence, and White Tara Express. And it's still Milano by about 2 lengths, Threshold. Born to be Queen now trying to get closer into the outside. Milano followed by Threshold. Born to be Queen now moving up to take second. But it's still Milano by Oraling Carihapa. Born to be Queen in second, and in third position Threshold moving up Misbehave as they come down at the last 150. Milano now is rides away by about 5 lengths. Born to be Queen in second, Misbehave moving up. Last 75 meters, Chucky Jesse Basilio Guse on Milano. Second is Born to be Queen, Misbehave, White Tara Express, Theatrical Kiss for your Pentapecta.
86173.
Right.
Unofficial. 86173.
All right, so it was